Hi, my name is Cedric Shasky. I'm a PhD candidate at the Utah Nano-Energy Lab, which is run by Dr. Kay Park out of the Mechanical Engineering Department at the University of Utah. We are primarily an experimental lab. We do measurements of heat and force transport across nanoscale gaps. In order to do that, we use this instrument, which is an atomic force microscope. The AFM is a tool which allows us to position a molecularly sharp tip within nanometer gaps of a sample surface. It also allows us to make a map of that sample surface by scanning the tip across the sample and making an image point by point.